Your first question. Which country produces the largest number of grapes in the world? Option A, Italy. Option B, Netherlands. Option C, Spain. Option D, Turkey. Your correct answer is option A, Italy. Next question. Who has scored the furthest 100 runs in IPL? Option A, Shakib Al Hasan. Option B, Virat Kohli. Option C, Chris Gayle. Option D, Rohit Sharma. Your correct answer will be option C, Chris Gayle. Next question. Which country has the largest number of voters in the world? Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, America. Option D, Russia. Your correct answer will be option A, India. Next question. Who produces the most tea in the world? Option A, United States. Option B, Russia. Option C, Brazil. Option D, India. Your correct answer is option D, India. Next question. What is the name of the hardest working animal in the world? Option A, ant. Option B, donkey. Option C, horse. Option D, camel. Your correct answer is option A, ant.